So this is my Stihl KMR55r, as you can see here. I bought this off some guy who was selling it for 300 bucks. I was hoping it would work. I got about 4/5 of my Hedge cut, and then basically the engine died. I put new gas and a new plug in it, tinkered around with it quite a bit, and unfortunately it just won't start. So probably the carb is screwed. I've got the carb soaking in some solvent. Hopefully that will clean out whatever garbage is inside it. I'll blow it out tomorrow and see how it works. There's a few other parts of it here. Other than that, worked good on the little bit it did cut. It's just gone the way of most of my gas-powered equipment. It just works fine, and then it won't start. Lovely.